Gaining admission into the university is no longer stressful. You are the one delaying yourself from gaining admission. You wrote JAMB last year, and up till now, you are yet to gain admission. In fact, this year, you also wrote JAMB. Now, the question is, are you really intending to gain admission this year or not? If you are, please come closer. Let me explain to you how you can gain admission this year. Now, there are different processes of gaining admission. Some of you wrote JAMB last year, and you wrote also register for post-UTME, and you are still waiting for admission into university. Now, the best way to gain admission with all certainty is to go for JUPEB. JUPEB stands for Joint Universities Preliminary Examination Board, and what they do is that they help coach students, and JUPEB is majorly a body that helps students gain admission into the university without stress. And they have partners, and one of the partners we are bringing to you guys today is the BIA JUPEB Center. What they do is that they prepare students within 8 to 12 or 10 months, and they make sure that the students are well prepared and for the examination that they'll be writing, that is the JUPEB examination. And when they are done with the examination, the student pass, and immediately they gain admission. Now, they don't gain admission into 100 level, they gain admission into 200 level. That means that their colleagues that gain admission into 100 level, they will still meet up together in 200 level. That is how beautiful JUPEB is. The address is showing up on the screen right now, and their phone number is also showing up on the screen. Do well to reach out to them and tell them you are from Charis Educational Consult, and they will attend to you. What makes them stand out from other JUPEB centers? What makes them stand out is that they have online platforms where they evaluate students' progress after lectures. They have physical location. They also make sure that they follow up with students until they gain admission. The admission process or the JUPEB program is not the end of their impact on the student. They are interested in making sure that the student gain admission at the end of the day. In fact, last year, all their students gain admission into the university, and that is what we want to happen this year. So if you are really interested in gaining admission into the university this year, and you are tired of sitting at home, Oga, please, daddy and mommy, take your students to the BIA JUPEB Center, enroll them today, and you are just going to be telling them that you are from Charis Educational Consult, and they will attend to you very well. Do well to reach out to them using this phone number, or go to their address in Lagos, and the address is currently showing up on the screen, to contact them. Thank you, and God bless you.